Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to be talking about choosing the right mediator for your case. Mediation is a structured process where both parties agree on and hire a neutral third party who is also known as a mediator. They'll assist the parties in reaching a solution. Well, during mediation, the parties are usually kept in separate rooms with their respective attorneys if they're hired, and the mediator hops between the two rooms to help facilitate an agreement. The key to a successful mediation is to be reasonable and realistic about the outcome of your divorce. But it is also imperative that you choose the right mediator for your case. Here are some factors that you should think about when deciding who you want to hire as a mediator. Number 1, fees. Ask the mediator about their fees. Most mediators have flat rates for half-day mediations and full-day mediations. They'll usually charge by the hour if the mediation extends past the allotted amount of time. So ask them what their hourly fee is as well. On average, usually a half-day session will suffice. Also, you should ask them what their cancellation fees are. Perhaps you might have an emergency or your spouse decides not to show up. So you'd want to know what would happen given those circumstances. From my experience, many mediators do not charge a cancellation fee. They do, however, ask that you be courteous with their time. A cancellation means that that slot could have gone to another case. Number 2, experience. Ask them how many successful mediations they've conducted. What is their track record? That is, how many mediations have ended in agreement? Also, ask about any certifications they've received and any training they've attended. Experience is a plus, but it also is not the most important consideration. All great mediators were once brand new mediators. Number 3, subject matter expertise. It's imperative that you hire a mediator with extensive knowledge of family law. Family law cases require extensive knowledge in order to navigate. The mediator should be familiar with how the courts and judges tend to rule on certain issues in your area. I like to choose mediators that are practicing family law attorneys, former family law attorneys, or retired family law judges. They are able to provide a realistic view on child support, child visitation, and other family law related issues. Mediators who simply handle civil cases may not be able to provide as much insight. Number 4, a good fit. Make sure the mediator is a good fit. Ask them if you can interview them or visit their office. This will make you far more comfortable on the day of your mediation. Also, ask them if they keep the parties in separate rooms. Family law cases can get extremely contentious, so my preference is to have the parties in separate rooms. In addition, you want a mediator you can feel comfortable with. Most of the issues in family law cases are extremely personal. You want to be able to discuss these issues with them freely so that they can better help you.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.